How to change phone number on Chase app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to change your phone number in the Chase app, you need to first go ahead, open the Chase application, log into your account or sign up if you do not have an account yet. Then you need to go to the profile settings. For that, tap on the profile icon, which is usually in the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on see details or profile and settings. Find your phone number and look for your phone number or contact information, and then tap on edit or change. Tap the option to edit your phone number. Then you need to simply go ahead and confirm your identity. For that, you need to enter your social security number or tax ID and your account card or application number, and then tap on next. Go through the on-screen instructions and then verify the change. And finally, save your changes after verification. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.